Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect N8N to TikTok so that you can send messages automatically. When you first search for a TikTok node inside N8N, you will notice that nothing comes up. The TikTok integration is not included by default, so we need to add it manually. To do this, go to the Settings section in your N8N editor. From here, open Community Nodes. Click on the option that says Install a Community Node. A small window will appear where you can type the name of the package you want to install. For TikTok messaging, the package name is N8N-nodes-TikTok-mess. Type this name exactly and then click Install. N8N will now download and install the package. This may take a few seconds depending on your system. Once the installation is complete, return to your workflow. Now when you search for TikTok, you will see the node available. You can add it to your workflow and continue building your automation. From this point, you can connect it with triggers, define your message content, and configure it to send messages automatically. Since the TikTok node requires a session to work, we first need to capture that data from our TikTok account. To do this, install the Chrome extension called CURL and WS Capture. Once it is installed, open TikTok in your browser. Then open the extension that you just added. It will ask for a permission request. Click on Grant Permission and then Allow. Now, with TikTok open and the extension running, you will see the network requests being captured. Look for the HTTP request related to your TikTok session. Copy this request from the extension. This contains the authentication details that will let N8N act on your TikTok account. Next, go back to N8N. In the TikTok trigger node, there is a field called TikTok session. Paste the copied request into this field. After pasting, click on Execute step. This will test the connection. If everything was done correctly, you will see a confirmation that the node executed successfully. At this point, TikTok is connected to N8N. With the connection ready, you can now add more nodes. For example, you can add a TikTok message node to send direct messages automatically. Or you can create a reply trigger that listens for events and responds with a predefined message. The workflow can be expanded further depending on what kind of automation you want to build. By following these steps, you now have a working integration between TikTok and N8N with the ability to capture your session. Test the connection and start building automations like sending messages or replying automatically.